Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to the Florida Immigration Law Council YouTube channel. We got some breaking news regarding the issue of public charge when it comes to applying for your permanent resident status here in the United States. Back in October, if you guys recall, the Department of Homeland Security expanded the regulations regarding the issue of public charge, which is an individual who is asking for a residency in the United States have to be able to show that they're not going to be a burden on the United States government. So the petitioner generally goes ahead and completes what's called an I-864 affidavit of financial support along with their taxes, pay stubs, etc. And they present to the United States government that the beneficiary, the person who's getting the green card, is not going to be subject to public inadmissibility and is not going to be using government funds, etc., cash assistance, welfare, whatnot. Well, back in October, they wanted to expand this requirement and really make it very intensive process. They went ahead and they published a form I-944 that is a 19-page document really divulging into the requirements or the financial background of the petitioner, somebody who's petitioning, sponsoring a relative for adjustment of status. When this came out, there are about 5 courts that filed restraining orders preventing the U.S. government from going forward with this regulation. And they were successful in that. Now, fast forward to January, the Trump administration heard the Supreme Court heard the arguments and sided with the Trump administration and is now allowing the Department of Homeland Security to go forward with the public inadmissibility issues. Now, what does this mean? This means that if you are planning on applying for adjustment of status through a loved one or you're qualified eligible to apply for adjustment of status, now is the time to do it. You have until February 24th to file your adjustment of status without being subject to the new public charge regulations. February 24th, the package must be postmarked and in the mail. Starting February 3rd, the Department of Homeland Security is going to go ahead and issue the new form. They're going to go ahead and issue the new policies and procedures for it to give practitioners and applicants enough time to review it, to understand how this is going to be implemented. But if it is based on the form that was published back in October, it's really scary because this form goes into your credit score, goes into your bankruptcy, goes into all of the intimate details of your finances, and you have to be prepared to respond, and you have to be prepared to prove that the applicant is not likely to be a public charge. So it's a quick update. Bottom line, if you're eligible and you're in a position now that you're going to file for your adjustment, please do not wait. Go ahead and file it before February 24th. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to call our office. We're here to help you guys. We're at 954-240-1669. Bye.